Hi my people, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make plantain chips for sale. That is commercial plantain chips. People overlook plantain chips business as just petty business, but you see plantain chips business is very lucrative, especially in Nigeria where we have lots of plantain and almost all season supply of plantain. Plantain is very common in Nigeria and people like to munch on plantain chips. It's very crispy, it's delicious, it's tasty and it's very crunchy. Yes, and plantain chips does not really make people add a lot of weight like some other snacks out there. We all know that the best type of plantain chips is the one made with unripe plantain. As I said earlier, plantain chips is very lucrative. It's quite sad that a lot of people underestimate and overlook this business. This is a business you can start with a very low income or no money at all. You just need groundnut oil or any kind of oil you can afford, plantain which is literally affordable, cutter, you can use crinkle cutter that are very cheap. There's a cutter they sell for as low as 100 to 200 naira. Or if you have a food processor, you can use your slicers in your food processor to make the job easy. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, hi there, feel at home, welcome to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best, the absolute best. Thank you so much for sticking to me. Before you start peeling your plantain coats, make sure you wash your plantain very well. Use sponge or foam or whatever you have, wash the plantain properly, because the truth is that plantain peel contains a lot of dirt, some mud, some sand and all that. Make sure you wash the plantain before you start peeling, so to avoid transferring any kind of sand, dirt to the peeled plantain. And moreover, you don't want after peeling your plantain you start washing it with water. It doesn't even make sense. So the steps: get your plantain, cut it out from the bunch, wash or scrub with sponge, foam or whatever you could lay your hand that is okay for you to wash the plantain coating. After that, you peel your plantain. Everybody knows how to peel plantain. So after peeling it, it's time to slice your plantain. You just want 18 slices of your plantain so that when you fry it, you will get a very crispy, crunchy plantain chips. If you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, do well to leave your comments, your name, your location or your country. Okay? Hope everybody's enjoying this video. Please, if today is your first time of tuning here or tuning to this channel, do well to subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. And you will continue this process until all the plantain is evenly sliced. You can use your grater, as I said before. You can use crinkle cutter and some people even use knife. Yes, plantain chips is quite easy to make, and it's quite sad that some people overlook this business because plantain is easily or readily available in Nigeria. Even if when it's not the season of plantain, you can still get plantain in Nigeria. I'm using a big pot with wide mouth so that it can contain a whole lot of plantain at a go. You can use your frying pan if that's what you want. You can use your wok and so on. But for me, I prefer using a wide mouth pot, especially when I'm making a commercial plantain chips. Do you know that people can actually book you for plantain chips and you can fry for them and send it to them, then they will package it for themselves. You can package plantain chips in so many ways. So please start planning a side hustle for 2026. It go hot, so as you see, everywhere is now very dry. Things are just not going the way it's supposed to go. So everybody is supposed to have at least 2 to 3 side hustle. To do what? To help your life. Because if you are depending on just one particular business or a job of 6 to 5 or 5 to 9, I don't even know how you are surviving in this country. So get yourself a side business. You can actually make potato chips. Maybe I'll post it in my next video. Potato chips business Potato chips business is very, very lucrative. In fact, some of these businesses people ignore or look down on, or just say, is it not just 15 naira? Is it not just 100 naira? Is it not just 500 naira? Those things are like money making machine, like those businesses, because this plantain is how much, and the oil, aside from the gas that I'm using, of which you can, it's not a must I use gas, you have the luxury of using kerosene and all that. Okay, as you can see, I poured a little bit of cayenne pepper to this particular quantity. Yes, you can make your plantain chips to have any flavor of choice. You can add cinnamon, you can add nutmeg, you can add pepper as I did, and so many other flavors. This will make your plantain chips different from the other plantain chips for other people. You can create your own flavor. I hope this video helps someone out there to start their own business, to start their own side hustle in 2026. Don't relax. Don't relax. It's only the hard workers that make it in this country. Hope this video helps someone out there, and feel free to subscribe to this channel and share my video to somebody who really needs it. This is how I packaged mine. Okay guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.